Today we will show you how to remove the back glass cover of Huawei Mate 30. First, turn on the maintenance heating pad and heat the back cover of the phone for 3 minutes. Purpose of heating is to soften the back cover glue. Then put the phone into the HUAWEI mobile phone screen remover. Tighten the bottom screw to clamp the phone. Adjust the position of the suction cup. Stick it to the back cover, and then open the suction cup. Slowly turn the bottom screw. Loosen the suction cup and open the screen remover. The back cover was removed successfully. Next, clean up the remaining glue on the back cover. A proper amount of alcohol can be added to soften the residual glue. Take out a new Dr. Parts phone back cover. Tear off the protective film of the back cover adhesive, align the phone, stick the back cover to the phone, and press gently. Put the phone into the TBK pressure holding mold. Tighten the screw to hold the pressure. Wait for 5 minutes to let the back cover glue harden. Then take out the phone. Huawei Mate 30 back cover replacement completed.